Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to win more tournament matches in COD Warzone Mobile. Well, to do that, prepare strategically. Study the tournament format, rules, and map rotations beforehand to tailor your strategies accordingly. Form a strong team. Team up with skilled and reliable players who communicate effectively and complement each other's playstyle. Practice regularly. Dedicate time to practice together as a team to refine coordination and teamwork. Develop team roles. Assign specific roles to each team member based on their strength and expertise. Communicate effectively. Maintain clear and concise communication throughout the match to coordinate actions and make informed decisions. Analyze opponents. Study of your opponent's playstyles and strategies to anticipate their movements and counter their tactics effectively. Plan for rotations. Strategize your rotations and movements on the map to stay ahead of the circle and control key positions. Prioritize objectives. Focus on completing match objectives such as securing contracts or capturing objectives to gain strategic advantage. Utilize loadout drops. Secure loadout drops to obtain customized loadouts tailored to your team's preferences and playstyle. Maximize score streaks. Utilize score streaks strategically to gain tactical advantages and control over the battlefield. Manage resources wisely. Use equipment, ammunition, and resources efficiently to maintain a strong position throughout the match. Stay informed. Keep track of the kill feed, map rotation, and UAVs to stay informed about enemy movements and engagements. Maintain map control. Secure and maintain control over high-value locations on the map to limit enemy movement and control the pace of the match. Adapt quickly. Be flexible and adapt your strategies on the fly based on the evolving dynamics of the match and your opponent's actions. And that's how to win more tournament matches in COD Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.